Pegleg live with Pickle My Bones.
I'm frustrated, and I had to get off the couch and head towards the city and see who's out and about, because I can't always sit around and just blaze this funk. So I'm hitting you all up. You're down to get manipulated from this idiot box. Also, reality TV makes me feel like my brain's gonna rot. I can't sit around this apartment and just smoke all this pot when I got homies on the block that are down to take some shots. I'm just kidding, and you know it's all love. Here's a hug and cheers. Now everybody bottoms up. I'm getting bent. I'm tipping over 50%. That nice guy who helps these bartenders pay their rent. But after an hour's passed, these cats are trash, and the Bonnery's there making jokes I can't help but laugh. It's so funny the way this dude cracks jokes. I'm so drunk I keep on forgetting Zeb smokes. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a bottle of booze by my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a bottle of booze by my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. It was too close for comfort, but I finally made it home. I was wasted and alone with my keys and my cell phone. Missed calls from my girl, I know that she cares. Right now I'm working on trying to get up these stairs, cause everything is spinning, taking it one step at a time. I'm happy the police didn't ask me to walk a straight line. I'm tripping over shit just trying to get through the door. I gotta find my bed before I end up on the floor. By morning I'm praying to a porcelain goddess. I gotta beg please, because I swear that I promise that I'll stop drinking before I ever go out, because I'd rather take long hits and just black out. It goes concentrated hits mixed with alcohol, it never works. I go berserk and just spit a verse at random, and that's the way it goes, playing at Fire in the Canyon, chilling with Ganja John and Radical Russ. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a bottle of booze at my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a bottle of booze at my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. Well, if it's after hours, I could use a cold shower. I'm looking for a designated drive-thru to devour. I gotta get some food in the stomach real quick before I'm laying in the fetal position sick. I should have taken sleeps off with the designated driver. I couldn't be any drunker, I couldn't be any higher. Was that a cop? Did I just run a red light? I can't get pulled over or searched tonight. My car is not registered, I live in a different state. When you're wasted, it's hard to concentrate on driving straight. The way that I look at it, they got probable cause to search my ride and find what I'm trying to hide. And if they look into my eyes, then they'll know that I'm high. And there's no way they're gonna let me slide by. There's no way a pirate goes down with his ship, even if it means he has to abandon it. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and maybe take some bong hits. I'll meet you at my house, we can chill and just split a half an ounce. That's the way it goes down. Chill with Radical Russ and Ganja John. PHX, oil hits from my bong. That's what I said before. Not going on tour, just taking some more bong hits till I can't take anymore. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a ball of booze by my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. So when I die, don't bury me at all. Just pickle my bones in alcohol and put a ball of booze by my head and my feet. So then I know that my bones will keep. So when I die, don't bury me at all. I prefer concentrate hits, y'all. I'd rather smoke some weed than ever start to drink. And that's what you should do if you actually start to think. Because the ganja, I swear, it could save the world. You can chill with your friends or just hang out with your girl in your living room. Puff, puff, pass, that's the way that it goes until we laugh. See ya, yo.